Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Exxon Mobil Corporation, ticker XOM, the world's largest investor-owned oil and gas supermajor. As of mid-morning trading on January 5th, 2026, XOM is at $125.19, up over 2% from Friday's close, and hitting a fresh 52-week high on strong volume. The rally is driven by major geopolitical developments in Venezuela. Reports of U.S. forces capturing Nicolas Maduro, combined with President Trump's statement signaling deep U.S. oil company involvement in reviving Venezuela's vast reserves. This has sparked optimism across energy stocks, with Exxon, already strong in nearby Guyana, seen as a potential beneficiary despite flat crude prices. For XOM investors, watch how Venezuela policy unfolds alongside global supply dynamics. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If this update was helpful, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock insights, and comment your next ticker below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.